In this video, we'll walk through the Covalent GoldRush Reporting API. This report is set up so that I can get hourly snapshots of end-of-day balances of USDC tokens inside of 2 wallet addresses. This is automatically generated every hour and sent via webhook to my live Excel tracker. To set up this report, I basically provide a label, a description. I specify what type of report I would like to generate. So in this case, end-of-day report. I specify which network I'd like to pull the information for, as well as the contract address to look for. And then I provide wallet addresses that I'd like to monitor. I can also add additional wallets. So here I just provide a label, specify a chain, provide an address, and also include any tags or notes. I'm also able to add bulk addresses, so I can upload multiple addresses if I'm monitoring a fund or some sort of portfolio. The way that this tool works is it provides basically an email update, so I can select hourly or daily for the updates. And then every hour, the reports are scheduled to run. So based off of the UTC offset, I can get that information for a specific time zone, and all that information flows via webhook. So the webhook URL, to illustrate that, I've used n8n cloud workflow that basically receives the webhook. It then takes the HTTP request, extracts the CSV file, and then appends it to a live Excel tracker with all the information. So to see this in motion, if I go back to the workflow, and then I basically say run, so I'll run an ad hoc report. I can see that instantaneously a CSV file is being generated that contains the information. The webhook is basically being read, and that information is being added to this tracker. So the benefit of this is, instead of having to monitor all this information in a block explorer, potentially have human error or any types of risks, I now have an automated process for gathering the information I need on a regular schedule. This also allows me to create different types of views. So here's a pivot table that shows a net asset value report. This is a really easy report to generate with this workflow. I'm able to just filter for the latest block and see the latest net asset value for each of the wallets in my portfolio.